Hi, my name is Matt. I'm a member of DoES Liverpool, and today I'm going to give you a basic tutorial of how to use the Roland Vinyl Cutter that we have here. This tutorial assumes one thing, that you already have a graphic that you want to use and send to the vinyl cutter. We're going to do that using a piece of software called Inkscape, which will then use another piece of software called Inkcut, which will send the commands to the vinyl cutter. If there is not a sheet of vinyl already in the machine, start by unclamping the wheels and sliding one through. Make sure to reclamp the wheels by using the arm on the right and pulling it towards you, ensuring that the wheels are in contact with the vinyl material. The first step is to prepare the vinyl cutter to receive some commands from Inkcut, so let's start by turning it on. If you send a print job before the cutter is prepared, nothing will happen and the cutter won't do anything. Allow the cutter to home itself, which should happen after a few seconds. It will slide all the way to the right, then the menu on the cutter should present you with the words Select Roll. At this point, press the enter button. This is going to move the head between the two wheels used to clamp the material down. The display will then tell you how many millimeters of width are available to be used based on this. The final step, now that the cutter is set up and ready to accept commands, is to load up Inkscape. So press the Windows key, type ink, and then hit enter. Load up your graphic. You can do this from a USB stick, over the network, but I've already got a file here that I want to open called joyridecuts.svg. Remove everything that you don't want to appear on the page and just ensure that the document has only the elements that you want. Go to Extensions, Inkcut, and Open Current Document. This is going to open up whatever's on that page in another piece of software called Inkcut, which is then going to send commands to the plotter in a HPGL format. Once in here, you can simply hit Control P and then start the job. Here's an example of some work that was done using this same vinyl cutter and a heat press to apply it to a hat for a cycling event. Hopefully this video has been informative and shows you how easy it can be to send jobs to a vinyl cutter using this simple set of open source software.